Hello everyone! Today we are going to present a very interesting topic, the tipping bucket rain gauge. This is a type of rain sensor that is commonly used to measure rainfall. It works in a simple but smart way by collecting water and tipping when a certain amount is reached. In this presentation, we will explain how it works, its components, and why it is useful in weather monitoring and environmental studies. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let us introduce our team. We are Group T from the instrumentation class, and we have prepared this presentation together. We have worked together as a team to understand and explain the tipping bucket rain gauge in a simple and clear way.
Okay, next, rainfall. What is and why is it important to measure it? Rainfall is the amount of rain measured in millimeters over a specific time and area. At BMKG, we monitor it closely because it affects floods, droughts, and agriculture. Accurate data help us issue early warning to communities and improve water resource planning, especially in Indonesia, where rain patterns shift due to monsoons and El Nino. And next, we will talking about introduction to tipping buckets. A tipping bucket rain gauge is an automatic rainfall measuring instrument commonly used by meteorological agencies such as BMKG, Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysical Agency of Indonesia. It provides accurate and continuous rainfall data, which supports weather forecasting, climate monitoring, and early warning system for extreme weather. Its integration into BMKG observation network helps and change national preparedness and respond to hydrometeorological hazards.
A tipping bucket rain gauge is designed with two small, accurate-sized impellant buckets or cavities that pivot around a central axis. When a predetermined amount of rainfall, for example, 0.01 inches or 0.2 millimeters is collected in one bucket, it tips, emptying the collected water and positioning the other bucket to collect the rainfall. This tipping action is usually detected by a reed switch, which generates a pulse or signal for each tip.
Next, maintenance and support. Firstly, cleaning the tumbler. Clean the tumbler regularly to remove dust and oil from the inner wall. Second, daily maintenance. Keeping the rain bearing mouth clean and check on the level bubble. The third, regular inspection. Ensure that the outer barrel is firmly vertical and make sure it's stable to avoid error. And the fourth, fault maintenance. Check on damaged part, loss of hidden parts, dust accumulations, and the induction of the red switch.
Now comes to the part of the tipping bucket. The first one is magnet that is attached to the end of the swinging bucket. Its function is to activate the reed switch every time the bucket spills water or tipping so that each tipping is recorded as a unit of rainfall. The next is pivot. The pivot is the axis or shaft on which the bucket swings. The pivot allows the bucket to move up and down like a seesaw whenever the incoming water has reached a certain volume. The next is red switch. Is an electronic switch that will be closed on when exposed to a magnetic field. Every time the bucket spills water and the magnet approaches the red switch, an electrical pulse will occur, which is counted as rainfall data. The next is calibration screw. This screw is used to adjust the sensitivity or volume of water required for the bucket to tip. By adjusting the screw, you can ensure that each tip represents the correct volume of water. The next is the drain hole. This hole is located at the bottom of the tool and functions to drain water that has been collected and poured out by the bucket out of the tool so that water does not accumulate in the tool. The next is lock nut. This nut functions to lock the calibration screw so that it does not change position after being calibrated.
How tipping bucket works. Rainwater flows through the funnel into one bucket. When filled, the bucket tips, sending an electronic signal to the data ledger. Each tip represents a fixed rainfall volume, enabling accurate cumulative measurement.
Advantage, disadvantage of tipping bucket. Advantage of tipping bucket and raincoat. Number 1. Automatic recording. This automatically measures and records rainfall without human intervention. 2. Low power consumption. It uses minimal power, suitable for remote location. 3. Durable and low maintenance. Is made of corrosion-resistant materials requiring minimal maintenance. 4. Digital output. It provides digital data, making it easy to integrate with data loggers of weather. Disadvantage of tipping bucket raincoat. 1. Inaccuracy during heavy rain. This may underestimate rainfall intensity during very heavy rain because the bucket tips. 2. Mechanical wear. Is moving parts, buckets and pivots can wear out over time, affecting accuracy. 3. Prone to clogging. The small debris or insects can block the funnel, leading to measurement error. 4. Cannot measure snowfall. Is not suitable for measuring snow or frozen precipitation without additional equipment.
So, in conclusion of presentation is the tipping bucket rain gauge remains a reliable and practical instrument in meteorology. Its simplicity, accuracy, and ease of maintenance make it essential for rainfall measurement. Thank you for your attention, and we hope this presentation has helped you understand its importance and function more clearly.